E85 on my Genesis 3.8 coupe. You know, I had a 2012 Genesis 3.8 coupe. It was full bolt-on E85, and compared to this V8, man, this thing wastes a lot of gas, bro. I done filled this thing up like 3 times in one day. Compared to a normal tank of 93, I'll probably go through that in like 2 days. You know what I'm saying? 2-3 days, depending on how I'm driving. But man, this E85 burned like hell, man. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm trying to let AC on, man. Y'all know we got AC in this bitch. Oh yeah. Somebody said my bumper is on fire, man. I had pulled over. He's like, your bumper's on fire. I'm like, damn. So I must be shooting flames. I'm gonna have to get somebody recording on the other side. That way y'all can see the flames, man. I'm thinking I'm shooting flames. Like, the back pressure is serious on this thing. So I'm knowing there gotta be some flames coming up out that tip, man. He said your bumper's on fire. Hell yeah, brother. You on point. The only thing I'm concerned about is my AFR. So my AFRs was normally stock, like even with the 93 tune, it was up here at 14. I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera because I got the head cam on. But yeah, so it was at 14.2, which is like the normal. Right now, I think we sitting at 10.2, which is running lean. So somebody give me something in the comments, see if that's bad or good. My tuner said it was actually good for the car to run a little bit more lean on E85, so I think we're doing pretty decent. As long as I don't blow my motor up, man. I told my tuner, I was like, bro, if you blow my motor up, you owe me a 5.0 engine. Like, dead ass. Let's get that down shit. Them down shits be crispy, man. Starting from there, man, we just gonna go ahead, we finna go ahead and keep driving. We gonna find a little open road or whatever. Then after that, yeah, we gonna get into the rest of the video. Yeah, so we gonna get a couple more pulls up in here, man. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see how this motherfucker rolls. So y'all know we just finished up the drive, POV, E85, full bolt-on. I mean, I'm basically not full bolt-on. All I really need is a cold air intake, which, I mean, I don't really need it, but just to open up that motor more. So yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. Make sure y'all leave a like and a subscribe, but what the fuck I'm talking about? I'm dumb as hell. Make sure y'all hit the like and subscribe button on my channel, man, so y'all can see more of these videos. Y'all know I've been dropping daily, man. I've been dropping heat. And on the last video, let me know what y'all think on the decision, man. I'm thinking about getting that scat pack.